This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your SD card on your Samsung or Android phone or Motorola phone. So I have this SD card reader from ONN I bought from Walmart. It has a USB-C in, USB, and then I think it has micro USB on here too. So it's just really convenient to have this. But you can put a micro SD card in here, and then a regular full-size SD card from like your camera or something right here. If you don't have the USB end, the USB-C, you can buy one of these adapters. That's USB to USB-C, also from Walmart, I believe. They might be a little bit more pricey. But once you have it to USB with an adapter, you can just plug this into the bottom of your phone, just like this. And then you need to go to Files. So you can swipe up from the bottom, go to Search for Apps, go to Files now. Open up Files. And then you can see your USB storage device down here. So this is going to be my SD card. And I don't know if I want to delete anything in here, but I have some pictures in here and stuff. Yep, I do. So you can transfer those files out and onto your phone, or you can transfer files to it. So we can just go to Images, hold down on the picture you want to transfer, go to the three dots, go to Copy to or Move, and go to USB storage device, pick a location, DCIM, and then copy here. So very easy to copy stuff to your SD card, or you can copy stuff from your SD card on your Motorola phone, Samsung, or anything. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.